As a trader, if you never heard this before, then I am sorry. But before I tell you, let me ask you something. Why do you really want to be a trader? No, seriously. Why do you really want to be a trader? You don't have to rush to give me an answer. Why do you really want to be a trader? Is it for the money? For freedom? To prove something to yourself or others? Whatever your reason is, let me tell you, this is not enough. Because this game is going to break you. The losses, the drawdowns, the sleepless nights, you will wonder if you got what it takes. And if you don't have a reason that runs deeper than money, deeper than ego, you will quit. The market does not care about your reasons, but you need to. Because when everything falls apart, when the losses piles up and the doubts creeps in, it is your reason that will pull you through. So ask yourself again, why do you really want to be a trader? Because the only one who makes it are the only one who knows exactly why they started.